So this bathroom, this is a guest bathroom that's shared with a hallway. Homeowner didn't like the tub anymore, so we went ahead and removed the tub and put a shower in. The shower, when we do showers like this, you have the option of either doing a shampoo niche or doing a little shelf like this. It could be glass, it could be tile, it could be granite, quartz, whatever you have in mind. Just for practical purposes, you can set your shampoo in, a razor, whatever else that you might need. And this is, I mean, it's coming out, it's coming together. We're gonna put a sliding glass door in here. Instead of a curtain, we're gonna have a sliding glass. And there's gonna be frameless as well. So we're almost finished on this one. The only thing that the guys need to do now is just apply the grout on it, have the plumber back with the trim, with the toilet, paint job, and we'll be done on this one. A couple more days, and this bathroom will be 100% ready to use.